and welcome to 6th, 7th and 8th channel of BYJU'S. I'm your teacher Ankita and I hope that all of you are in a good health. Hello everyone, if you can see me, do tell me. Yes, I hope that all of you can see me. Good evening everyone and welcome to the class. Awesome. So how are you all? I hope that all of you are in a good health, right? We are meeting today again and again, and so good to see all of you here in today's class. Yes, everyone, are we ready for today's class? Good evening, good evening, good evening, everyone. Good evening, everyone. Let me just quickly welcome all of you again. I can see so many of you here, everyone. Thank you for joining the class. Now, this class is all about class 7 standard, right? Now, in today's class, we will be discussing about important questions from the different topics that we have in a class 7. And, of course, we have the objective questions also. And, of course, we have the subjective questions also. So, basically, all in all, we have both types of question. First, of course, a theory question. And then, of course, we have the MCQ type question. And we'll have a Mentee quiz. So, everyone, we will be having both the things, so I hope that all of you are ready and super excited for that. Yes. Awesome, everyone. Yes, I will be calling out your name, everyone. Yes, in between. So many of you here. Good that all of you are here, everyone. Are we ready? Quick thumbs up. And on that note, please make sure everyone to hit the like button. Right? 100 is the target today. Come on. After 100, we'll move ahead. Please make sure everyone to hit the like button. Hit the like button, everyone. Very good, very good. I will be telling you the code after some time. First, we'll be looking at the theory questions and then we will have Mentee. So all of you who are asking for the code for Mentee, you have to wait. We will not be having Mentee right now. We'll have the Mentee later. So first, we'll be discussing about the important topics, right? And then question based upon them. Basically, all in all in total, right? We have questions which are very, very important. Everyone, let's quickly hit the like button. Okay, very good, everyone. Awesome. Please make sure to hit the like button, everyone, quickly. Yes, let's quickly move ahead and discuss about this, right? And if you're new here, please, everyone, make sure to subscribe to the channel. 1 lakh ek saath, right? Soon, we want to reach a target of 1 lakh subscriber and we need your help. So please make sure you subscribe to the channel. And why we tell you? Because we promise you that if you learn with us, your kind of academics is not kindly sorted, it's all sorted, right? So recently, we will be starting, very recently, we have announced that we'll be starting with a crash course on 23rd of January, right, next week. So everyone gets ready for the crash course. We will be discussing about the chapters, right, in a very crisp way. We'll be looking for the summaries, mind maps, right, an easy recap, focusing on your examination, discussing the questions. So please make sure you're joining this, right? Yes. So everyone, are we ready? Clear? And of course, by the end of the session, you will have more reason to subscribe to the channel. So please make sure you stay with us till the end. Very good, everyone. Okay. Bilkul, yes. Here we have. Okay, let's get started, everyone. So, now, we will be looking at the class 7th class, right? Of course, we have different chapters. Can you name the chapters for class 7th? Right? Class 7th biology chapters. Tell me how many chapters we have. Quickly, everyone. We don't have the code. Deepa, we don't have a code. We don't have Mentee right now. Very good, everyone. First, of course, we have the nutrition in plants. What else we have? Tell me. The nutrition in animal. Very good. Are you sure about it? We have transportation also. Yes. Transportation in plants and in animal. We have reproduction also, reproduction in plants. Very good, everyone. Just talking about bio. See, it's not E. Very good. So we will be looking at these particular topics, and of course we have the weather adaptation also, but of course it's not there in a syllabus as per se. Okay, and we have respiration also. Sorry, I forgot about this very, very important topic. So of course we'll be taking a look at these, right everyone? So I hope that all of you are ready. Yes. So for all the classes, the crash course will be launching on 23rd of January. Okay? Yes. Let's get started. We're just focusing on biology part syllabus, not chemistry and physics. Okay everyone. So everyone, for the final time, quick thumbs up. Quick thumbs up everyone in the chat, and let's get started. Very good, very good. So we'll be looking at the very first question, and here we go everyone. The first question is, and I want all of you to write the answer in the chat box. The first question is, autotrophs and heterotrophs are two different organisms with distinct mode of nutrition. We have to find out how they are different from each other. Yes, it's very easy, right? Easy peasy, it's okay. Welcome to the class. We're just getting started. Yes, very good. So, we know that autotrophs are the one that makes their own food, right? And heterotrophs are the one that depends upon others for their food. So, what we have autotrophs, right? They make their own food. We have a very important example. We have plants. They make their own food by the process of photosynthesis, right? Very good. And we call them as autotrophs. Plant is an example of autotrophs. Right? And which mode of nutrition they have? They have the autotrophic mode of nutrition. Then we have heterotrophic mode of nutrition, where of course we, animals and other animals like deer, lion, etc., etc., depends upon others, other organisms for their food. Very good. So this is how we can easily differentiate, and this is how you can write the answer in your examination, everyone. An organism can prepare their own food by using simple substance and make their food. Then phototropic or chemotropic are the two types of autotrophic nutrition, by light and by the chemicals, right? We will say that they can produce their food and they are the producers, right? Yes, autotrophs are the producers. See, I can see that many of you are saying, want me to shout out the name? I would, but if I shout out your name, we have so many students, right? Please everyone take care and don't spam. Please moderator, do take care of it, right? Yes, let's everyone, I know that many of you are getting disturbed. Don't worry, we will take care of that. Yes, and I will shout out your name whenever it's needed, and I'll do that, don't worry. But so many of you here, so it'll be difficult for me to call out your names. Yes, chemoautotropic means that, see, they're using the chemicals to make their food, okay? Yes, very good. So over here, plants are the example. Of course, few bacteria are also there. Okay? Yes. Very good. Very good, everyone. Okay. Then we have the heterotrophs. Now, of course, they are the one that cannot make their own food and they depend upon others for their food. We have holozoic, parasitic and symbiotic association and saprotrophic types of nutrition over here, right? And animals and plants, of course, we have some categories of the parasitic plants and others over here in this particular example category. And we can write the examples. Yes, Raj, welcome to the class. Yes, Satya. Yes, Anuj. Yes, Shubhash. Yes, Gopalan. Holozoic, they take the food inside their body and then they digest it. Okay, clear? Mentee will be later. Yes, Mentee will be later. Yes, Nishu, Hansika, Sampath, Mansi, King. Mentee will start later. Okay. Let's take a look at the next question. Here we have the next question, everyone. Here we go. When and where does anaerobic respiration occurs in humans? Can you quickly tell me the answer for this? Hello, everyone. Very good. Yes, right. When and where does the anaerobic respiration occurs in humans? We know that there are two types of respiration. First, of course, we have a type which is the anaerobic respiration, right? Which occurs in the absence of oxygen, right? which occurs in the absence of oxygen. And then we have the aerobic respiration, right? We have the aerobic respiration, which occurs in the presence of oxygen, right? Anaerobic respiration also occurs in the lack of oxygen, and that of course is the case that we're discussing today, right? That in our body, in our muscles, right? During the exercise, there's a formation of the lactic acid, right? Our body needs a good amount of oxygen, but we don't have it, right? So what our body does, it actually start making or start providing us the energy by using the anaerobic respiration. Very good, everyone. Very good. Yes, awesome, everyone. Kudos to each one of you for your answers. So here we have the reaction. We have pyruvate which will be going into the cytoplasm. We get the pyruvate after the breakdown of glucose, right? This entered into the cell, and then we have the lactic acid formation and the energy. And of course, we know that as this accumulation of lactic acid, we have the muscle cramp. Very good, Sneha. Yes, if you do a heavy exercise, right? If you're running a marathon, if you're doing swimming after a long time, our muscles will pain, right? And that is the reason behind it. Everyone, are we clear with this? Yes? Yes, very good, everyone. Quick thumbs up, quick thumbs up. I hope that I'm clearing all of your doubts, right? If you have any doubts, please do write in the comment section, and over here I'll be able to help you. Yes, very good. Aerobic respiration. Presence of oxygen. Yes, clear. Yay, good to see all of your thumbs up, everyone. Let's move to the question number 3 over here. Right, but before that, everyone, let's take a look how we can write this answer in the examination. So, you can mention during heavy exercise, we need the energy. But of course, the supply of oxygen is very limited. Then anaerobic respiration takes place in muscles and to provide us the energy, and in that particular process, this pyruvate molecule, after the series of reaction, forms the lactic acid and the energy. Very good. Okay, let's take a look, everyone, over here with the next question. The next question is, some birds migrate from one place to another. Why do some animals and birds migrate, and how? Easy question, right, everyone? Apsara, pyruvate is a molecule of the glucose, right, will break into the pyruvate molecule. Ishwar, Mentee will be in later part, so we'll have to wait. Very good, Sachi, Satya, Kritika, motivation, food, Ishwar. Yes, Dhanya. Yes, Smriti, Veer, Kautalya, Avni, Naya, Nisha, Gopan, Uma, Dhanya. Very good. Chimi, Satyam, Pradyuman, Bhavna, Bhagwan, Aditya. Yes, everyone. So we see the migration happening because of the two important reasons. Because of the climate, first of all, right? If it's really very freezing at that particular place, the birds will move from one place to the another. And as sometimes animals also does, but not as the birds do. So birds usually fly, right? And they will come to a very, of course, we have a very good example. We have the various Siberian crane that actually flies for a very long distance and comes to our country, right? Especially during winter time. Because in that part of there, right, in Siberia, of course, we know that it's really very cold. So, at that particular time, for the breeding purpose, it's very easy for the young one to develop, okay? Especially when they are not in a very extreme cold climate. So that's why that's a reason why they come, okay? For the feeding purpose, for the breeding, and for raising their young ones. So that's a important reason over here, and you can write your answer in this particular way. Yes. So the migration is a seasonal journey that takes place, and of course they want to escape the extreme climatic conditions. Okay, and they travel the thousands of kilometers they travel, and of course they travel so that they can properly breed, so that their young one can easily grow also. Yes, very good. So everyone, are we clear with this? Thumbs up. Yes, happy birthday to Satyam and Nishu. Everyone, let's focus over here now. Yes, Dikshant, very good. Hi, Sonakshi. No, this is, of course, few questions, of course, are from the NCERT. It's a mix of the important questions that we have in these particular chapter. Punno, let's not spam. We don't have Mentee now. Once The Mentee will be there. I will be sharing the code with you. Yes, okay, nice. Let's take a look, everyone, at the question number 4. We have to explain the process of nutrition in humans. Yes. Very good, everyone. Okay, can you tell me the answer? It's a very important question, everyone. Very, very important question. So, explain the process of nutrition in humans. How the nutrition of humans, like what are the steps that we have? Right? Himi, Hash, Hamshini, please write your doubt. Right, I think you have a doubt on reproduction, so you can wait. Hello, very good, everyone. So, of course, when we discuss about the nutrition in humans, we know that there are various steps. The first step is ingestion. That is nothing but the intake of food, right? What happens? We take the food. We have our teeth, we have our tongue, right? And we have glands over here that actually help in the digestion process. Second step is the digestion, where we'll see the breakdown of the food happening, right? The bigger molecules will be broken into the smaller molecules, right? Like carbohydrates, proteins will be broken down further. Very good, Apsara. Then we have absorption. In our intestine, we will see the absorption of the food, right? We have finger-like projections, which are called as, very good, Jimmy, yes. We have finger-like projections in our intestine, which are called as villi. They are the one that actually help in the absorption of the food. Very good, very good. Yes, it is present in the small intestine. Super awesome, everyone. And once we have this food, right, which is completely digested, absorbed by the intestine, then what will happen? We will see the process of assimilation. I can see many of you doubt with the word assimilation. Yes, Nisha and others? Can you tell me what is the meaning of assimilation? See, now that we have the food, right? Now, once we have absorbed the food, what will be the next step? To utilize it, right? The way we utilize the food by our body, right? We call it as assimilation. Clear? Now that we have taken the food, our body have the food, we have properly absorbed it, it's there in our blood, it goes to different parts of the body and it get utilized. Okay? Those of you who have a doubt with assimilation, are we clear now? Very good, very good. Yes. So, after the utilization of the food, definitely we'll talk about the waste. So, digestion is a step where the undigested food, right, will be removed from the body. Yes, very good, Amritansh. I can see there was a doubt between what is egestion and excretion. So, egestion is nothing but where we are talking about the removal of the undigested food from the body. And excretion is nothing but the removal of nitrogenous waste from the body. Example of that is urine, right? And we have a separate system for that, like kidney, right? We have the excretory system. Kidneys plays a very important role over there. Everyone, are we clear? Educational life, assimilation is nothing but the utilization of the food by the body. Very good. Everyone, a quick thumbs up in the chat if you're clear with this. It's a very, very important question. Super important question. Dikshant, I'll repeat it. So we have 5 important steps. We have ingestion, that is nothing but the eating of the food, right? And of course, we will see the breakdown of the food. Then we have the second step, which is digestion, where we'll see more breaking down of the food in the body, right? Then, of course, we have absorption. The absorbed food will be taken by the villi, will be sent to the different parts of the body. Assimilation is nothing but the utilization of the food, and egestion is nothing but the removal of the undigested food by the body. Yes. Dikshan, difference between excretion. I told egestion and excretion got difference. Egestion is the removal of the undigested food, and excretion is the removal of the nitrogenous waste from the body. Yes, very good, everyone. Awesome. Now let's see how we can write this answer in the examination. Everyone do take a screenshot of this. Yes, everyone do take a screenshot of this. It's a very important question. Yes. Here we go, everyone, to question number 5. Right? Why do veins have thin walls compared to arteries? Why do veins have thin walls as compared to arteries? Yes. Tell me, everyone. So we're discussing about the transportation now. Transportation animals. We're talking about the veins and the arteries. Right? Why do veins have thin walls as compared to arteries? We know that both of these are the blood vessels that carries the blood throughout our body. Right? And let's understand the difference between them. And here we go. So veins have a larger diameter first of all, and they have thin walls. They have thin walls because the blood which flows through them have less pressure. Right? So the blood which is flowing through them has less pressure. Whereas compared to the arteries, they have the blood, right, which flows with high pressure. Okay? Yes? Very good, everyone. So arteries, right, so arteries have to endure the pressure because the blood is moving really very fast, right? So of course they will be pushing the walls of it. To make sure they are not rupturing, they have the thick walls. And they have a very small diameter so that the blood can move really very fast. Yes? Everyone, are we clear? Very good. Yes. Aradhya, why high pressure? Because see, blood is moving, right? Blood has to move from heart to the different parts of the body. So first of all, it is moving through a very thin, small diameter pipe-like structure, which is the arteries definitely in our body, right? And they have thick walls. Okay? Yes, very good. Everyone, I think there is a lot of confusion. Right, I'm sure many of you are asking, or I would say spamming in the chat for Mentee. Right? We will have Mentee after question number 10. Right, after 15 minutes, we will have the Mentee. Okay? Those of you who are interested in learning the concepts, right? Please stay with us. And those of you who want to just play Mentee, you can come after 15 minutes. Okay? Those of you who want to really learn something, who want to really grow their knowledge, I would request you to stay with us. Rest, all of you who are asking me again and again, Mentee, you can come back after 15 minutes. I hope that will help you, right? I really want a class to have only those students who are focused in learning. I can see because of this, right, because of you guys who are constantly spamming about Mentee, many of our students who are here for learning are getting affected. It is a humble request for all of you. Please, you can leave the class and you can come back after 15 minutes, right? Let's first revise and learn, then we will be looking at the questions. Yes? Great. So I hope that no hard feelings. I really respect that your priorities are very clear, that you just want to play Mentee, you don't want to learn. It's absolutely fine, right? But those of you who are here for learning, let's just focus. I'm really sorry you are struggling with a lot of spamming over here, but can't help it. I am trying my best to tell them. Okay. Yes. Are we clear with this question, everyone? Large intestine collects salt. Bache, large intestine, what will have the undigested food. So whatever goes from its small intestine will be going to the large intestine, which is undigested, right? Which the body cannot digest it. It will be going in the large intestine. So the water will be getting reabsorbed, few salt here and there, but not much, right? As we say. Yes. we will have various steps throughout the body, right, where we'll be seeing the excretion of various other things. Yes, very good. Samita, so what are we discussing over here? We're discussing about the veins and arteries. So veins have a thin wall. Why? It's because the blood is flowing aram se with no pressure. But in arteries, they have thick walls because the blood is moving really very fast. So they have to make sure that they're not getting ruptured. Yes. Hi Manisha, welcome to the class. Very good, very good. Clear, right? Thumbs up everyone. Very good everyone. Hi Ayush. Very good Kanika. Okay, let's move ahead everyone, and this is how you can write the answer, right, in the examination. See, arteries and veins experience difference in the pressure of the blood flow, and arteries experience the pressure waves because the blood is getting pumped from the heart itself. So this will be felt, right, of course, as a pulse because the pressure of the walls of arteries is much higher as compared to the veins. Easy peasy. Yes. Right everyone? Yes, very good. Let's move ahead, but before that, I'm sure you are aware about this because many of us have already spoken to you about it. But if you're new here everyone, please do try to register for yourself for this amazing BYJU'S National Scholastic and Personality Test, right? Which will be happening at the BYJU'S Tuition Center, BTC centers throughout the country. It's an offline test where you have to go to the center and give the test. Over here we have the dates. Definitely you can register yourself for absolutely free, and you will be able to know about a lot of other things, right? That this test will be giving you an idea about the skills that you have, what are the career inclination you have, different analysis, a deep down analysis of what you think, how you behave. And that will be helping you in choosing up the career and of course picking up the subject in the future. Yes. So Umesh, various centers are there throughout the country, so you can definitely find out one which is very close to you. Right? If you fill the form, link is in the description box. Go on the link, you will have all the information. Yes. Mania, what is your doubt? Please ask me. I will share the PDF on Telegram. Gaming world, let's just stay focused. Yes. Saima, you can. Hello, Anil. You can register even if you're not going to center. It's okay. Very good. Warm welcome to the class, Shrishti. The results are also offline. Yes, you will, offline in the sense you will get a detailed analysis of it. Okay, Umesh, if you're asking doubts, very good. Yes, very good. Please write your name properly. Awesome. Hi, Ananya. It's an offline quiz. Very good, everyone. Let's move ahead to the next question, right? Here we have, everyone, the next question. Question number 6 on your screen. After that, right, we will be moving ahead. Let's see question number 6, everyone. What adaptation of desert animals protect themselves from the deficiency of water? So basically we have the desert animals, right? We're living in a very harsh conditions. How they're adapting so that they can survive in the desert without much of the water with them. Very good. Their skin, they have hump, right? They store the water, less excretion, storage of the fat. Please write your doubts directly. Nice. So we know that these animals, right, who stays in these desert area have very thick urine because they're trying to conserve and save the water. So that urine is really very thick because it has less amount of the water, concentrated urine. They sweat really very less, and of course they have a very low breathing rate to minimize the water loss. Very, very important, everyone. In camels, of course, they have a hump, right? They store the food and the water over there, right? Of course, there's a lot of storage that happens with the fat. Sorry, not in the hump. Yes. Right, this saves a lot of water and the fat. Yes. Hump have the fats. Yes, absolutely correct in the case of camels. Apart from that, when we talk specifically about the camels, they have very big eyelashes so that they can protect their eyes also. Yes. Xerophytic plants don't require much water to grow. Absolutely correct. We have an example of the, we have the example of these cactus. They also have some modifications, right? They don't have the leaves. Yes, their feet also. Kanika, that's a question I am very interested in. I'm not sure how many days. Exact days, right? It definitely will vary to the age of the camel, right? Where the camel is in that particular area. What are the climatic conditions, right? Yes, very good. Awesome, everyone. So I hope that we have this clarity, right? So we can definitely write our answer in points and we can mention that. So we definitely, right? They have the examples of the animals. Of course, they have a very thick skin. They prevent the evaporation. They do not sweat. Pass little or very thick urine or the concentrated urine, right? They survive without the water for a longer, they definitely can survive without the water for a longer duration. Yes, and they also have a very low breathing rate. Yes. Very good, Nisha. Yes. Desert snake. Yes, Dhanya. Very good, very good. Thank you, Chibi, for helping out your friends. Very good, Shukla. Welcome to the class. Yes, Sachi. Yes. Jaya, I don't know exact number of dates. Exact number of days it can actually stay, right? Ankita, please write your doubt. If you have any doubts, please write your doubt here in the chat. Yes, key cut plant also, yes. Very good, very good. It's okay, Yogesh, welcome to the class. Here, everyone, let's take a look at the next question. Right, please write your answer, or please write your doubts over here. Yes. See, instead of writing you have doubts, please write the question directly. Yes, Ankita, they can survive. They can survive anywhere, right? But if you talk in terms of how they'll be able to survive in very winter climate, definitely, they will have other adaptations. So we have camels who are there in Ladakh region, right? It's a little bit cold over there, but of course, they definitely will have a few changes according to the climatic conditions. Nice, very good. See, over here your friends are sharing the numbers. Very good. Okay, let's take a look over here, everyone. The next question. I can see many answers already. Plants are known as producers of the food chain. Can you give the reason? We have just discussed it, right? So we know that plants are the one that makes the food by the process of photosynthesis. They are always a producer in any of the food chain because they are the one who can actually produce, right? That's why plants are called as a producer in a food chain. So we have this food chain, right? We have plant as a producer. Then we have herbivores, which will be eating on only the plants. Then we have carnivores who will be eating the meat of other animals, right? Then of course we have the tertiary carnivores, and of course we have the top carnivore, right? So we have three different types. We have herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. We are omnivores because we eat both the animals and the plants. Plants are autotrophs because they make their own food, right? And they use the sunlight, right? We know that photosynthesis is a process by which plants make their own food. And over here, everyone, we have a very important reaction. Yes, super proud of you. Nishu, please write your doubt. Yes, yes, Jimmy. Plant, rabbit, snake, and eagle. Yes. Oh, that's very nice. So the difference between a food chain and a food web is that food chain is a linear sequence where the food is getting transferred from one trophic level to the another trophic level, right? Then we have food web. What we have? We have the food web where we will see that many food chains will be interconnected. Yes? Sanya, there are no types of carnivores, right? In carnivores, we have lion, right? We have frog, we have leopard. The one that only eat the animals, the meat of the other animals are called as the carnivores. Sanya, I hope that your doubt is clear now. Yes. Okay, MLB Dreamer, I hope that your doubt is also clear. See everyone, this is how you can write the answer. Plants are the producers because they are the green plant. right? They make their own food from carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. And of course, they provide the food to the other organisms. Easy peasy. Yes. Yes, Kautalya, I've just explained. Food chain is a linear sequence. Only one chain is there, right? Whereas in food web, many of food chains are connected. Yes. Nidhi, please write your doubt. I might have missed your doubt. Very good, everyone. Please write your doubt directly instead of writing doubt. Yes, you can write the equation. Here we have the equation. See, 6CO2, 12H2O, right? Then of course we have the glucose C6H12O6 plus 6H2O and this 6O2. What is the difference between a producer and a creator? So in a food chain, we always have a producer, which is producing the energy, right? Making the food. Creator, we don't have in biology in that way. In terms of food chain, we don't have something called as creator. Definitely it's a word from English. Types of consumer. Arey Sanya, there are 3 types of consumers we have. We have herbivores, we have carnivores and omnivores. Yes. Okay, Aditi. Let's move ahead, everyone. Food web mein Bhakti, we will see there is a different types of food chain getting interconnected. Nishu, you're asking, can we move ahead? Can we move up? Pradeep, can we move up? Yes. Pradeep, sir. Can we move up in the chat?
Yeah. It's up only.
No. There was a doubt that I want to see. Yes, okay, I got it. What types of animals live in polar region? So, for example, we have polar bear, right? We have penguins. They are the one who lives in a polar region because they can actually endure the temperature which is very low. Nishu, I've answered your question. Yes. Okay, everyone. Let's move ahead, everyone. Few more questions and then we have Mentee. Coconut is a large and a heavy fruit. How is it adapted to disperse by water? See, we know that coconut is an amazing fruit, we say, right? I'm sure you would have seen that it floats in the water. And if it comes to a land, right, it will germinate itself. Yes? Very good. Yes. So, what is the reason behind it? And how did it adapt, right? I'm sure you would have seen this. So we know that the coconut, right, of course, from the outer, it has the outer fibers. It's very hard from outside. Right, and inside it, it has a seed. So once it goes on the land, right, it actually got an opportunity and it just starts germinating. Yes, see, it flows on the water waves, definitely, right? It just falls on the water and of course the waves are the one who are taking the charge of it. Yes, right? So we can write our answer that they have the ability to float in the water and drift as they flow. And we have the example of a coconut, water lily and lotus. They release their seeds in the water only because they're the water plants, right? They actually help, the reproduction helps. The reproduction happens in them with the help of the water. So they disperse their seeds through the water, right? And once the coconut comes on the land, definitely they'll be able to germinate. Yes. Are we clear with this? Right, everyone, are we clear with this? I can see your chat. Holozoic nutrition may we have that when an organism eats the food, right? When they take the food inside and then the digestion occurs. Awesome, everyone. Moving to question number 9. Here we have, how is transpiration and translocation different from each other? I will wait for your answers. Right? Bas Dilip, sorry, Amritansh, we have 2 more. Nidhi, not ignoring you. Nidhi Gulalia, you're just spamming throughout the session. Please write your question. I'll be answering your doubt. Yes. Nidhi, I would a humble request. Now, let's not spam. Got it, Yesh? Yeah, today there are a lot of spammer in the class. Everyone, let's stay focused in the class. Very good, very good. I can see the answers. So we know that transpiration and translocation are really very important process for the plants, right? In transpiration, we see the stromata plays a very, very important role, right? Through the help of the stromata, we'll see the exchange of the gases as well as the release of the water, excess water in the form of water vapors, which is called as transpiration. It's nothing but the loss of water in a form of water vapor. Whereas translocation happens with the help of a very important tissue, phloem, right? That actually help in the movement of the food. Transport of the food throughout the plant body. So there are two major differences between these, right? We have stromata and we have phloem. These two are very different from each other and of course they help in the two different processes, transpiration and translocation. Yes. Very good everyone. Yes. So I hope that this is clear to you. Xylem, can you tell me what is the role of xylem? What is the role of xylem? Yeah, I know. MLB, I realized it. Yes. Very good. So we have the difference between the xylem and the phloem. Yes. So we know that when we talk about xylem and phloem, both of these are what? Both of these are the conducting tissue. Xylem help in the translocation of water and minerals, whereas phloem help in the translocation or the movement of the food in the plants. Yes, everyone, are we clear? Quick thumbs up. Xylem and phloem. Very good, very good. So that's a major difference between, right, these two. Vascular tissue, yeah, we also call them as a vascular tissues. Conducting tissues. Yes, very warm welcome to each one of you. I will share the notes on Telegram. They can. So Bilwa, mostly they are near, basically the environment and the climatic condition they usually need are usually near the saltish water, right? Not near the rivers per se. Very good. Let's move ahead everyone to the answer. This is how you can write the answer in the examination. Okay. Last question everyone and then we'll have Mentee. Let's see this. Explain the difference between the self-pollination and cross-pollination. Right? What is the difference between the self-pollination and the cross-pollination? Yes, Nidhi, I will share the syllabus of term 2 on Telegram for class 7 standard. Nidhi, gotten your question. I will share the syllabus. Okay, don't worry, I'll share it. I'll share the whole syllabus of class 7 so you have a clarity. Everyone, what is the difference between the self-pollination and cross-pollination? Self-pollination occurs on a same plant, same flower, right? So if we have a flower on a same plant and if the pollen grains will move from the anther of one flower, right, to the stigma of one particular flower, we call it as the self-pollination. But cross-pollination occurs when the pollen grains from the anther of one flower moves to another flower, a very random new flower, right? Maybe it can be present on the same plant or a different plant, but it's not on the same flower. Are we clear? So that's a major difference between the self-pollination and the cross-pollination. Here we have Nidhi, Nishu, you're asking which chapter? Now this is from the reproduction in plants chapter. Right? So this is how everyone you can write self-pollination and cross-pollination. Very good, very good. Okay, so this is how you can frame your answer. Over here, you can mention how, from where to where it is getting transferred. No pollination is there. We can mention the examples also, wheat, rice, etc. We can mention, right? We have no genetic diversity, very similar to each other. In cross-pollination, we will see the mix, right? And we can mention the examples. It's a very easy question, right, everyone? Do take a screenshot of this. Yes. Very good, everyone. Awesome. Yay. So with this, everyone, we are at the end, right? I was talking about this course. Please make sure you register, right? It's the BYJU'S National, it's basically BYJU'S National Scholastic, you know that. Basically BYJU'S National Scholastic and Personality Test that we have over here. And these are the dates, and of course this is what you will be getting in terms of rewards, everyone. Yes, so please make sure you register for it. It's really very important. Yes. Very good. Bilwa, very good. A very good question everyone. Bilwa is asking. The difference between zygote and seed and zygote and embryo. So zygote, right? Zygote is formed after fertilization, right? So the one single cell which is formed after the fertilization, fusion of the male and the female germ cells, right, is called as zygote. The embryo is the one which is developing, which is in the developing stage because it is the embryo. Until upness, it has some number of cells. Clear? And seeds in plant, of course, is the end result. Okay? Seed is the one, of course, from where, of course, a new plant will germinate. Syngamy means Amritansh. It means nothing but this fertilization. Very good. So everyone, are you ready for the Mentee? Yes. Ready for the Mentee? Those of you who have who are here with us, please make sure and quickly go on the website, which is www.mentee.com. Use the code, which is 64016021. And we'll move. I'm also moving from here, so I'm moving my slide. The screen is fixed? Yeah, okay, thank you. Yes. Okay, 1 minute. I think it's not the one. Yes, everyone, I can see. Let me just correct the heart. You have trained me to do that. But where are the hearts? Wait, it's not the one. Yes, yeah.
I got the one.
Yeah, yes. Very good, everyone. Bhakti, sporangium and spore. So spores are definitely there in the spore formation. So in rhizopus of the bread mold, we will see that spores are present inside the sporangium. छोटे spores are there, and sporangium will all collect them. Once the sporangium will burst, the spores will come out and they will, land on a moist surface and they'll grow. Bhakti, I've answered your question. Miss Unique, unisexual flowers are the one that just have one type of, let's suppose, the reproductive organs in them. Okay? Yes, Miss Unique, I've answered your question. Bhakti, I've answered your question. Very good, everyone. Here we have. Thank you, Chinmay. Sorry, Chimi, for helping your friends. Yes, very good, very good. I can see many of you joining over here, everyone. Quickly join the Mentee. We'll have 10 questions and we will end our class. Yes, so you have to go on mentee.com. You have to go open a new tab, write www.mentee.com. Yes, and then mention the code, which is 64016021. Yes. And yes, I'm collecting the hearts. Here we have. Apsara, you're asking why the reproduction is necessary for the living organisms. So living organisms need reproduction so that they can survive, right? If the reproduction stops, they'll not be able to continue. So it's very important for the continuation of the generation. It actually helps us to have the variations and prevent the animals from getting extinct. That's why it's really very important to have the reproduction of the living organisms. Yes, right, Agent 47, you're right on time for the Mentee. Bhakti, thank you so much. Subhash, we will answer this question in the later part. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Let's move ahead. Right. Here we go, everyone. We will wait for each one of you. Please write your name properly. Right. Do write your name and we will start. Soumya, I would love to explain tissue culture to you, but I will be explaining in a very fast way. Tissue culture, what we do, we take any part of a plant, right? We cut them, we put them in a sterile medium, We clean them properly so that they have no dust particles and germs. Then of course we add into agar medium and they'll eventually will grow, right? Yes, they will grow, and of course it will be a mass of cells which will again we will transfer it to the nutrient medium where they'll grow as a plantlet. Okay, you can watch our sessions, we have discussed about it. Okay everyone, so let's get started. How's the energy? All the best everyone. We have 10 questions, 10 easy peasy questions. You have to answer the question correctly, and the faster you answer, you'll have more points. So let's get started everyone. Question number 1 on your screen, and here we go. During photosynthesis, what happens? Right, read the comments. It's a very easy question. Krishna, you have to go on a new website, open the new tab basically, right, www.mentee.com. Then they'll ask you for the code, and the code is 64016021. Yes. No, it's okay. Yes everyone, 89 of you have voted for the correct answer, and the correct answer over here is solar energy is converted into the chemical energy. Easy peasy, right? So good everyone. So we know that during photosynthesis the solar energy will get converted into the chemical energy, right? Yes. I know. Very good. So very good everyone. 89 of you have voted for the correct answer. Halwa question. Wow. We'll write the code in the chat. The code is 64016021. Yes. 64016021. Yeah, thank you Apsara for helping your friends out here. Next question. Next question. Here we go. Okay, we have a finger-like outgrowth of amoeba helps to ingest the food. However, the finger-like outgrowth of human intestine helps to do what? See, we're talking about the amoeba and human intestine. Read the question carefully, everyone. It's a very, very important question. Right? It helps in the to digest the fatty food substance, make food soluble, absorb food, digestive food, or absorb undigested food. So in amoeba we have those finger-like projections, and in our intestine also we have a finger-like projections. We discussed about them, right? We call them as villi, and they are the one that actually help in the absorption of the food, and they help in the absorption of the digestive food. Very good everyone. Super proud of you. 86 of you have voted for the correct answer. Amazing everyone. Moving ahead to question number 3 on your screen now everyone. Kaju katli question hai bilkul. Here everyone, read the question carefully. Which of the following combinations gives the correct function of breathing? Breathing is a process that provides O2 to the body, break down food to release energy, helps the body to get rid of the CO2 or produce water in the cell. Right? You have to pick everyone which is a correct combination among these, and we are talking about the function of breathing. We know what is breathing, right? Breathing is nothing but the inhale of something and exhale of something. If I say what we inhale and exhale, I might be giving you the answer. Halwa question hai, kaju katli question hai, laddu question hai. Bilkul. Right. Amazing everyone. And the correct answer, ooh, I can see many of you got confused. Right? So 41 of you have voted for the correct answer. First and the third option are correct. And why it is, let's quickly see. See, the first option is that it provides oxygen to the body, which is absolutely correct. Break down food to release energy. Breathing may not happen, right? That happens in respiration. Yes or no? Everyone, I think many of you got confused with this. See, breakdown of food to release the energy occurs in respiration, but not in breathing. Breathing may be inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide. So the correct options will be first and 3. Helps the body to get rid of the CO2. I know, jaldi jaldi kara, confuse ho gaye. That's why हम बोलते हैं read the question carefully, read the question carefully. Yes, Apsara. So breathing is a physical process, whereas the respiration is a chemical process. Amazing, everyone. Chaliye, let's move to next question. Question number 4 on your screen. Here we have the question number 4 on our screens. Okay. The annual record of long-term average temperature and rainfall at a particular place is known as what? Climate, climate chart, weather or weather forecasting. Krishna, if you are answering on the app, right, you will have a separate options. You will be able to see them. It will not be blur. I think that you're answering on YouTube itself. You can join the Mentee quiz. Right, the annual record of a long-term average temperature and rainfall at a particular place is known as what? Known as climate chart. Yes, the annual record we are saying, right? See, I understand why many of you have voted for climate. Long term. But we are talking about record over here. The correct answer is climate chart. See, my प्यारे प्यारे बच्चों. Right? Question को अच्छे से पढ़ना है. We have to read the question आराम से. Yes? Very good. I can see a lot of crying emojis now. Yes, very good. Okay, chaliye, let's move ahead. 27 of you have voted for the correct answer. So, good. Okay, we'll have the leaderboard after this question. After question 5, we'll have the leaderboard. Okay. Lola observed that a pond with the clear water was covered with the green algae within a week. By which method of reproduction did algae spread rapidly? Read the question carefully. We are asking about how algae reproduce in short. Is it budding, sexual reproduction, fragmentation or pollination? Easy hai, right? It's super easy question, everyone. Yes. How do algae reproduce? The easiest way to put out this question is this. Over here, if they have given us a very complicated way. And I'm super happy that 69 of you have voted for the correct answer. The correct answer is fragmentation. So, the algae reproduce by the process of fragmentation. They make multiple copies. They basically will split and they'll make multiple copies of themselves, right? Can you give me one example of algae which reproduce by fragmentation? Tell me. Easy peasy, right, everyone? One example of an organism which reproduce by fragmentation. Very good, Spirogera. Got it correct. Now, everyone, let's take a look at the leaderboard now. I think after all the hard work that you did, we deserve a leaderboard. Yes, and here we have the leaderboard, everyone. Fastest is Dhanya. We have Shreyansh. We have Akash. We have Naruto. Please do tell me what is your name. I really want to know. Yes. Very good. Then we have Sameer, Riddhi, Amritansha, 7th mention topper. Very good. Okay. Shreya, we have Diksha and Himanshi. Very good, everyone. So, I hope that till now all of you are clear with it, right? Very good. Chaliye. Now, everyone, we will be moving ahead, right? And we will see the last 5 questions. How many likes we have? Can we touch 150 likes? What do you think? Yes? How many likes we have? 115. Nice. Thank you. Everyone, let's take a small break of 30 seconds. Go back quickly and hit the like button. Yes, make sure you hit the like button, everyone, and then we will move ahead. Hit the like button. If you're new here, please join the Mentee by writing www.mentee.com in a new tab. Use the code which is 64016021. Ta-da! Hello everyone. Chaliye. There's an increase in the number of likes. 120. Yay! Okay. Chaliye. Let's see, everyone. Question number 6 on our screen now. Within renal artery is the artery that carries the blood to the kidney. Question number 6 on your screen, and here we go. Their pipe-like consists of a group of specialized cells which transport substance and form two-way traffic in plants. We have to identify. Priyanshu, okay. So we have to find out a structure that we have in plants which have two-pipe structure, right, which moves two-way traffic. Xylem, epidermis, root hair or phloem. Yes. Easy, right? And the correct answer is phloem, everyone. So we know that phloem helps in the translocation of the food, right? And it actually have two-way traffic. Up and from down to up and from up to down, right? In both the direction, bi-directional movement. Awesome. 51 of you have voted for the correct answer. Xylem have unidirectional flow. That is from roots to the top. From top to root, it will not happen in xylem. Okay. Let's see question number 7, everyone, on your screen, and here we go. Vena cava teeth help in carrying the carbon-rich blood from the body to the heart. Here we have assertion and reason, everyone. Living things produce more of their own kind through reproduction. Reason: only animals can reproduce and plants cannot. Easy. It's a very easy question, everyone. We have to pick whether both the statements are correct or incorrect. Whether the reason is the right explanation for A. Yes. So we have a very important statement that living things produce more of their own kind through reproduction. Okay. Only animals can reproduce and plants cannot. What you think is the correct answer for this particular question? Chat could be misleading, everyone, so don't look at the chat and vote. And the correct answer is, we know that option number, basically statement number A is right. Statement B is incorrect. Yes, organisms make or produce a copy of themselves by the process of reproduction, and reproduction happens not only just in animals but in plants also. Hello everyone. Yes, so very good. Yes, 73 of you have voted for this particular option, and very good. Let's see question number 8, everyone, on your screen now. Question number 8 on your screen. Arrange the following component of food chain in a proper sequence. Food chain banani hai. Food chain. Simple, easy peasy food chain. So I'm not reading, just see. Have 2 in the order and you will have the answer, everyone. Excuse me. Yes. We have to find the food chain. Which of these will come first? We have a producers, then we have a consumer. In consumer also we have 3. We have herbivores, omnivores and carnivores. Very good, everyone. The correct answer is A. Grass is the producer, then it will be eaten by the insect. Insect will be eaten by the frog. Frog can be eaten by the snake, and snake eventually, aram se, when he is moving around, an eagle or a vulture can come and pick it up and it can become its food. So very good, everyone. 91 of you have voted for the correct answer. Yes. Yes. Snake घास नहीं खाता. सही में बोल रहे हो. I really want to see a day when the snakes is eating grass. Impossible, right? Okay. Question number 9, everyone. Question number 9 on your screen. Very good. Okay, take a movement. We have matched the column. Column 1 and column 2. Take your time and vote. It's a 1 minute long duration you have. Don't pick the answer in hurry burry. Look at the options carefully. Chlorophyll, nitrogen, cuscuta, animal and insect. Match it. Do ko match kar do, you will have the answer. Match any 2 and you will have the answer. Yes, where the chlorophyll is present, where the nitrogen is there, what is the cuscuta plant, which animal we are talking about over here, and which insect we are talking. Easy hai, bahut zyada. Yes. See, all of you will vote, the timer will get automatically blocked and we'll have the results. So everyone quickly vote for this particular question. We have matched only 1 right, I know. That becomes super easy then. Let's see, 3, 2 and 1, everyone. The correct answer is what? Yes, option number D. Very good. So we have matched chlorophyll with the leaf. We have nitrogen, right, with the rhizobium. We have the rhizobium, of course, it's a very important bacteria that actually help in the fixation of the nitrogen in the leguminous plants. Very good. Then we have Cuscuta, which is a parasitic plant. Animals are heterotrophs. They depend upon others for their food. And insect, of course, we have the pitcher plant. Pitcher plants eat the insect. Very good, everyone. Very good, very good. So we are done with this. Let's see, everyone, the last 10th question. Yes, it is present in the soil. Very good, very good. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Soumya. Question number 10. Rate of breathing in aquatic organisms much faster than in the terrestrial organism. Reason for that is the amount of oxygen which is available in the water is less. So let's see. Yes, Kunal, welcome to the class. Yes. Okay, very good. So again, we have to find out whether the statements are correct or incorrect. Shikmori, yes. It's a very complicated name. Very interesting name. Complicated in the sense I have not heard this name. Very amazing name you have. Very good, everyone. Oh. So I can see that majority of you got confused, which is right. Right? Because I think many of you got confused with the statement. Rate of breathing in aquatic organisms is definitely faster than the terrestrial organisms. See, in water, the amount of oxygen which is dissolved is less. Right? That is the reason why the aquatic organism breathe faster as compared to us. The reason is absolutely correct because the reason states that the amount of oxygen which is present in water is less. Okay? So, the correct answer over here is option number A. So, everyone, are we clear with this? Now, of course, all of you can hit the like button for the video. Yes? We'll have the leaderboard now, everyone. Yes, we'll have the leaderboard at 150 likes. How many likes we have? 144. 144 likes, everyone. Yes. Let's make sure we have 150 likes and then we'll have our leaderboard. Yes, Meghla. Welcome, welcome. I can see you now, 148. Once is 150, please do tell me. Yes. Seems like everyone, we are very close there and I think we are done. Yeah, we are done. See, you don't hit the like button when we tell you. That's a proof. Everyone, hitting the like button is a way of showing us your love, that you love the session. Right? So, good. So now I think all of you are ready. Let's take a look at the leaderboard now. Here we have the final leaderboard, everyone. We have some new entries, right? We have 3 new entries. 4 actually. The fastest is Amritansh. Very good. Congratulations. Yes. Yes. Then we have Dhanya, Akash, Diksha. We have Shreyansh. We have, I can't see your name, bache, but not sure. You can tell me. We have Shreya, Nishant, Himanshi and Arun. Very good, everyone. Very good. Ramit, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Very good. No, we will not be having class 7th Mentee ab to khatam ho gaya. Yes. Oh, purple hearts chahiye. Okay, yes, Diksha. Thank you for sharing your name, bache. Diksha is on number 4. Very good, everyone. So congratulations to each one of you. You did amazingly well, right? Very good, everyone. So with this, we'll end our session. Please make sure to register for this amazing quiz which will be happening on 28th of Jan. Tarana ma'am will be coming live with an amazing quiz, so please do register. And please make sure to hit the like button for the video and share and subscribe to the channel. And those of you who are new here, please do take a moment and subscribe and go and watch the videos that we have done for you. And we will be starting with an amazing crash course really very soon. Yes, everyone. And do tell us in the comment section which was a question which was very tricky for you. Right? And do tell us about the sessions. Right? Do write Okay, you want me to give you the homework question, but usually I understand that you have, schools and your exams are very close by. I don't want to put the pressure on you, but please you write in the comment section and tell us that how you enjoyed the class and which question was very tricky for you. Okay, with that everyone, I'll say bye-bye. Right at 8:15, Aishwarya ma'am have a class with class 8th graders, right? So if you're in class 8, please make sure to join that class. And for class 7th and 6th, you can also join the class, right? So I'll be meeting you everyone. Again, on that note, lots of love to each one of you. Keep yourself healthy and safe. And keep on learning with BYJU'S. Bye-bye. Hearts everyone. Hearts. Purple hearts, right? Bye-bye everyone. Good night.